Hello, my little pickles. Granny here, and today Granny's got a big surprise for you. She's got a bunch of giant candy. Look at that. That's the first thing we're gonna try. It's a Kit Kat bar. That's giant. Then we're gonna try a big giant Hershey bar. That's a lot of chocolate. It's 3 pounds of chocolate. Then we're gonna try a Reese's peanut butter Santa, but it's giant. Yummy. Then a ring pop. Wow, it's almost as big as a bowling ball. All right, the first thing we're gonna open is this giant Kit Kat bar. Here we go. What in the world is that? My goodness. Well, Granny thinks it's just the box. Oh my goodness. Look at them all. Wow. That's a lot of Kit Kat bars. Well, Granny's got to taste just one. Here we go. All right, there it is. See? It's a regular old Kit Kat bar. Granny likes it a lot. The next thing we're gonna try is a big giant ring pop. Here we go. Wow-wee, look at that. Well, let's see if Granny can put it on her finger. Well, she can put it on all of her fingers. How crazy is that? Well, let's give it a try now. Hey, that tastes pretty good. How long do you think it would take to eat all that? Put your answer in the comments below. The next thing Granny's gonna try is a giant Reese's peanut butter Santa. Let's try it. Gotta open it first. Take it out of the box. Wow, look at that. My goodness. All right, Granny's gonna take a big bite right there. What? All right, Granny's gonna try to take another bite right now. What? Oh! Granny almost broke her dentures. Hey, very chocolatey, but guess what? No peanut butter yet. Granny has to take another bite. Here we go. Oh, there we go. See? Lots of peanut butter and chocolate. Now we're gonna try the big giant Hershey bar, 3 whole pounds. Are you ready for this? All right, let's open this chocolate. Ooh. What in the world? Look at all that chocolate. What's that say? Hershey, the chocolate that is pure. All right, let's break some off. Oh my goodness. Granny's gonna have to taste this chocolate. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Hey, that's some yummy chocolate. Well, that's all Granny has for you today. Goodbye, my little pickles, and Happy New Year from Granny.